Without a doubt, flagship smartphones are technological powerhouses in today's world. These devices feature powerful processors such as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the Dimensity 9300. But how will these devices handle AI tasks? It is not as simple as it appears. In this video, I'll walk you through the biggest problem with smartphone AI. We're talking serious computing power, loads of memory, and storage space. Indeed, some reports suggest that future smartphones may require a whopping 20 GB of RAM just to keep up with these AI tasks. Alright folks, let's talk smartphone smarts. Trying to figure out how much storage you need for all those AI operations on your phone? According to senior researcher, as AI becomes more integrated into our smartphones, storage requirements will skyrocket. In fact, he claims that to make AI work smoothly, the understanding more than 15% of your total phone storage is required. That's some serious space needed for all the AI magic. When it comes to storage, Android phones usually come packed with a base storage of 256 GB, much like the S24 Ultra that launched with a minimum of 256 GB version. But when it comes to handling AI activities, a minimum of 512 GB becomes a necessity for a smartphone. Why, you may wonder? Well, because a whopping 15% of that will be devoured by AI operations alone. And remember, that's separate from what your operating system needs. Not to mention the constant app updates, which are like little storage monsters, gobbling up space faster than you can blink. Okay, here's the good news. Samsung may be working on a storage solution. According to rumors, they are working on a new version of UFS 4.0 that is specifically designed for AI operations. How will that work? They might include some clever compression tricks or clever programming to allow AI programs to take up less space on that UFS 4.0 flash. But there is a catch, no word on whether this gleaming new UFS 4.0 will boost read and write speeds till now. Now comes the juicy part. Samsung is interested in the trademarks AI phone and AI smartphone. It appears that the Galaxy S24 series will be among the first to use the revamped UFS 4.0. But do not get too excited until Samsung confirms it. Take this news with a grain of salt. If this new UFS 4.0 is the real deal, trust me, we will have the juicy details in Samsung's official press release soon. So stay tuned, everyone. The future of smartphone AI may be redefined sooner than you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates in the tech world. This is Tactics, signing off.